Now you need to create a draw method for the checkpoint class. So we here create a draw and then a curly braces, a parenthesis rather, and a curly braces to input the functionalities of our defined draw method. So inside in our draw method, it says add a fill style property to the CTX object and set it to the color of this. Now if we go up, we see here a variable called CTX which is assigned to the canvas, interpolated with the getContext method of 2D. So it's basically used for the web API, I think, for drawing in the context of 2D. So anyways, we now have to access that variable, which is the CTX, short for context, and then interpolate the property fill style. So this fill style is used to fill a style or fill a color to a shape. And that color would be this one, though I don't know what color it would be, but we have here our value. And to fill a style, we need a shape, correct? And that is why we have here the method fillRect. And inside the parentheses are the argument, and inside the curly braces, what? And inside the parentheses, rather, is where we input our x, y, width, and height properties inside the checkpoint or using the constructor. So we have to use this one, the instance property position. So we access that property and then access its object and get the x, also get the y, and then the height, and then the wait, this would be the width, and then this would be the height. Oh, this position. So inside here are the arguments which actually structure the rectangle. Fill rect means to fill a rectangle, and what do we need to fill that rectangle is inside the fill style, which is this color. So essentially we are filling a style with this color and then filling this color into a rectangle with this structure. So it is essentially us drawing a rectangle with this color and with this structure. So that would be it. Nice.